Yes, absolutely. I will be coming back to you. I'll be coming back to you for more on that story because we're getting some breaking news on the Anna University case at the Mahila court. Ganesh Shekaran, accused of Anna University assault case, was produced by the Tamil Nadu police. And following the first set of questions by the judge, he has now been announced guilty. I repeat, he has now been announced guilty. The judgment order will also be announced soon. Back-to-back is coming in right now in the Mahila court. Ganesh Shekaran, accused of Anna University assault case, was produced by the Tamil Nadu police. And following the first set of questions by the judge, he has been announced guilty. Still waiting for the judgment order, which will be announced very, very soon. Let's go straight across. Let's go straight across to Sharada. Sharada, Chennai Mahila Court will pronounce a verdict. And Ganesh Shekaran is the sole accused in this case. And when will the judgment be out? Over to you, Sharada.
Yes, Shivangi, now Ganesh Shekaran, who was the main accused and the sole accused in the Anna University sexual assault case, is now been pronounced guilty under all 11 cases that was filed under him. Back in February, a special investigation team went to the magistrate court filing the charge sheet, and now within 5 months of the time from when the incident happened back in December 2024, now it's been proved that Ganesh Shekaran is guilty, and the Mahila court here has given the verdict that Ganesh Shekaran is proven guilty under all 11 cases. We are just waiting for Judge Rajalakshmi to read out the final order, given what the punishment would be given to Ganesh Shekaran. So what we have to see here is, following the Pollachi sexual court case, where all nine accused were given verdict stating life imprisonment. Now we are waiting if the Anna University sexual assault case will also have a similar judgment or not. As we speak, the judgment reading is underway inside, and the Judge Rajalakshmi will soon be announcing what the final judgment has been given. So the latest is what now being known is that Ganesh Shekaran is proven guilty, and also that the police will soon be speaking to the media in a while, giving all the details about what happened in the investigation as well.
That is right, Sharada.